Last time on Fantonio.
Hey, Fantonio. Take him away. Help me, what the devil?
Oh, the red one can talk? No!
Yes!
No! Why, hello there, Tater. And Wiseman, what the devil you go? I'm a bearder. So, you guys work for Fantonio, huh? Yes. Well, who mainly does? I just work in the kitchen, you know, cook up the pizzas, get cursed at, get stabbed in the legs, and Wiseman, I just live in the basement. We're gonna take over Fantonio's restaurant and make an all-new restaurant. And what's it gonna be called? Do you guys have any ideas? Oh yeah, of course, you guys can't talk. How about, I don't know, I don't have any ideas yet. How about it's probably gonna be called the eggshell. Eggshell? We'll serve eggs. Okay, now, go bring Fantonio. No! Oh, man, they're copyrighting so many. No! Get this out of your mouth. What is wrong with you, dang dirty birds? Fantonio, welcome back. What do you want to do with me? Well, I want to open up another restaurant. What? It's gonna be called Eggshell. Okay. Well, there's only, this is the perfect block for a restaurant, even though it's part of a cruel city where there's lots of gangsters, murders, and lots of bad stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna have to just take over your restaurant now. Tater, Wiseman. Whoa, jeez, man. All right, Tater. Do you enjoy working for this cruel man? Yeah, this is what it feels like being the other way. Shh. Settle down, you little puppet. Do you like working with him? Yeah, well, he doesn't really pay me. Oh, that's not important. Do you like working with Fantonio? Well, does he treat you the goodest and best? No, not really. What are you talking about? Well, sometimes he whips me, stabs me. He once left me on the street, changed my name, dropped me off in Vietnam. Oh, I would hate that. And China. He tried drowning me. He gouged out one of my eyes. You know, this is a glass eye. And other cruel stuff it is. Oh, so it looks like you're a bad guy. And Wiseman, what's this? You cut me. Oh, my eyebrow. Are those even real eyes? No, I'm afraid not. Well, you're free to go. Free boy. Free bird by Leonard Skinner. Alright, Tater and Wiseman, it's all about you. What do you want? We're gonna eat Fantonio because it's Thanksgiving and these birds are hungry.
Yeah, we are.
Alright, well, please, don't eat me. I still have stuff to do. Tater, cook a pizza. Alright. Tater. Plan C. Plan Z, don't we first pull your mustache? Oh, yes. Why did you do that? Hey, you want me? Plan C. quiet, you animal. Okay. Please shut up. Alright. Well, I can't let Tater down. Just gotta put this into the bread. Oh, come on. He won't care. It might be a small piece. Alright, just a couple more seconds. Alright, this should be good. I actually want to... Alright. Here you go. Ooh, this pizza looks good. Get them ready for the oven. We're gonna make them like a turkey. Help! Alright, back to this. What's in this? Well, sorry to scare you. Fantonio, I'll get you a gas mask! Fantonio, quick, put one on!
He was asleep at 2 in the afternoon. I assume he's a chef. He works at...
Oh man, it doesn't look like we need the gas mask anymore. I know, right? Well, look at the kitchen, look how wrecked it is. Alright, let's get back to the set. Hopefully that crew member controlling your hand isn't blocking it. Yeah, well, even though all the food's destroyed, there's one thing that makes it the best Thanksgiving ever. What? That we have each other. What? No, just kidding. What? Why kind of a drunkard would do that? We have brandy. Oh, brandy, the best drink ever. Let's drink some more. Any of you want to take a drink? I'm in. All right, let's drink.